Good morning, class 7th. As you can see, we are again with chapter 2, that is animal nutrition in animals. Today I am going to tell you the answers of question 1, 2 and 3 of chapter 2. These questions are of B part, that is answer briefly of chapter 2. I am telling these questions because I often see children in class 7th group asking for these questions. I came to know from your group that chapter 2's short answers 1, 2, 3 have been completed. So I did not give you the answers to these questions. Well, now I am going to tell the answers of these questions. So, those who have not done these questions, these answers, they can do it, and those who have already done it, do not write it. So now I am going to start reading. If you are going to do it from the new page, you can mention date and classwork, today's date and classwork, or if you have left a page to do these questions, so you can do these questions from there, these questions there. Now answer briefly. Question 1. What is bile? Where is it produced? Give its functions. So its answer, bile is a fluid that is made and released by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile is a fluid that is made and released by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with digestion. Just a minute. Bile helps with digestion. It breaks down fats into fatty acids which can be taken into the body by the digestive tract. Now the question 2, list various steps. So question 2 is here, not there. Just a minute, students. Let me set them. Okay. List various steps in the process of nutrition. There are 5 steps in the process of nutrition. First, procurement of food. Second, ingestion. Third, digestion. Fourth, assimilation. And fifth, egestion. Now question 3, name the 4 different types of teeth. So its answer, teeth found in human and give their function. So answer of question 3 is the 4 main main types of teeth are: first, incisors. Incisors are used to cutting and biting food. Second, canines. Canines are used to pressing and tearing food. Third, premolars. Premolars, chewing and grinding food happen through premolars. And fourth, Molars are used to chewing and grinding food. Has it completed? Yes, so it is completed. Now in the next class we will continue the rest part of chapter 4, that is heat. So thank you class 7th.